The first step in setting up a project is to adjust your levels to those of the linked files. Go to the Levels view and change the elevation of your levels. This is possible in the Properties or in the level symbol in the view. Delete any unnecessary levels that are not needed in the project. Note that all linked floor and ceiling plans will also automatically be deleted. Next up, we're going to check if there's any FRP period specified. You can do so by selecting a wall or floor and check the properties for any relevant values. Don't forget to check the type properties. For this model, we cannot find any relevant values, which leaves us with two options. The first one is that we can request updated models with enough information. The second one is that you can specify the FRP values yourself in a separate model. In this example, you can see the second option and how it looks like in a floor plan. The library and templates for creating such a model are available in the orange button Library Download. For more information and how to, check our other videos and wiki page. Finally, we can do some floor plan tweaking by setting linked files in the view template. Try to turn categories on and off, add filters and change the depth settings, resulting in a nice looking floor plan ready for clashing.